friends, I'm a resident of planet Mars and I have come over to take over your planet. I'm just kidding. I'm here to take selfies and make TikTok videos. Yes, I've joined the hype of TikTok. Alright? I gave it a shot and I love it. It definitely wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting a lot of cringe, weird videos, but there's actually a lot of good, creative people out there making videos. It's really cool. I figure I should take the name Color of Fame on TikTok before somebody else does. By the time I actually get going on TikTok and then Color of Fame's already taken, that would be a big bummer. So, you're welcome to follow me on TikTok. I'm actually starting to create some content. You'll also see this lovely girl on there too. But as of right now, today, I'm gonna show you how to create my cute little Martian girl from the planet Mars. I'm actually doing a series right now of either what planets would look like as people or people from that planet. I'm gonna hopefully try to do all 8 planets. And it's really weird it's still, after all these years, still weird to say 8 planets. I'm still used to saying 9 planets. I'm gonna trigger all the Pluto people now. I still believe in you, Pluto. But if you want this planet series to continue, please hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. No more horsing around. Let's get right into the video and let's get started. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ding! First thing we gotta do is the eyebrows. They gotta go. Now I'm gonna use a glue stick and glue them down. Washable glue stick. Next thing I'm gonna do is you can use whatever you want to sketch with, but I'm gonna be sketching in my big, beautiful alien eyes. It's up to you whether if you want to do it under your eye or over your real eye. Me personally, I like to do over my eye, but it's whatever you want to do. Let me try sketching and see if I like it. You know what? I think it's actually a bit covered by my wig anyway. I think my bangs are like this long. So, scratch that. Next thing I'm gonna do is cover my whole face in a light-ish red paint. Next, I'm gonna just roughly fill in my new eyes with black, just to kind of give me an idea of how big they're actually gonna be. Now you could do just all black, but I want my alien girl to have an eye color. I'm gonna choose green just because it's kind of the opposite of red. I'm gonna make it pretty dark though, so it's color, but it's also still going in with the dark theme. Again, you could just make it just black, but I'm gonna choose green. Now I'm gonna fill in the iris part of the eye with black. Also, anytime you put color anywhere near your eyes, make sure you set it with a matching eyeshadow color. I'm gonna take red eyeshadow and I'm gonna make my new eyelid. With the black eyeshadow, I'm gonna gently shade just under the eye. If you're having trouble with your eyeshadow sticking near your eyebrow area, you could always put some eye primer in its place and it should stick then. I'm sorry, did I say a little bit of eyeshadow? Now at this point of the eyes, I'm just going to be using this opportunity to fix up anything that needs fixing up, and I'll be adding highlights. And I think she needs some lashes. Then we're going to take that same red eyeshadow and just start doing pretty dramatic contouring. Want to make it clear that we are an alien and we don't look human at all. I'm going to be working on other parts of the face, such as kind of making an alien-like nostrils, but still pretty. I'm going to try to make it pretty, but alien. With black eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen the contours more. Now I'm going to use cream paint and add highlights. And then I'm going to set the cream paint with whatever highlight powder you find suitable. I have this orange one. I just like it. If you have a black lipstick, go ahead and fill your lips in with black. Surprise, I don't have black lipstick, so I'm going to use body paint. And lastly, for the face, I want some more highlights, so I'm going to use a white liquid liner and add brighter highlights. Well, I thought it'd be a good idea while my eyes were still drying to start painting my body, which means I had to have my eyes closed or mostly closed, so it was a challenge. I thought I'd try it. It was kind of a failed challenge. But for the rest of the body, just paint everything red. Okay, now similar to the face, we're gonna contour pretty heavily, just like our collarbone, places that we'd normally contour, and then kind of make like, what do you call it? Sunken in skin, like it's sunken into your ribs. My idea for the Mars character was to make it kind of like your typical, what you would imagine an alien would look like, except make it red instead of green. We're gonna start off with red eyeshadow and then make it darker with black. Now I'm going to take the white cream paint again and make highlights on the collarbone. You know, I don't like it. I like the face, but I don't like the newfound burn marks that I just put on my alien. I tried to make kind of the body have a texture more like Mars, but just didn't work out. Just didn't happen. But that's okay. I'm just gonna throw a cute sweater on, throw my wig on, and we're done.